In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a coffee cup icon in Figma quickly and easily using the Iconify plugin. This is a super simple workflow, but it's incredibly useful if you want to add clean, professional-looking icons to your designs without drawing them from scratch. Whether you're making a UI mockup, a presentation, or a brand concept, this method will save you time and help keep your work consistent. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Figma and go into your design file. Once you're inside the Figma design canvas, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma gives you quick access to tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This will open the plugin browser where you can search for the exact tool you need. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a popular plugin that gives you access to thousands of icons, including simple line icons, filled icons, and even more detailed styles depending on what you need. Once you see Iconify in the search results, click it to run the plugin. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search bar inside Iconify. Click into that search bar and type coffee cup, then press enter to search. Iconify will now show you a list of coffee cup icons from different icon sets. Take a moment to browse the options and find the one that best matches your design style. Some icons may look more minimal, while others may look more detailed or more rounded, so choose the one that fits your layout best. Once you've found the coffee cup icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your Figma canvas. You can place it anywhere in your design and resize it as needed. If you want, you can also change its color, adjust the stroke, or combine it with text and other elements to match your overall design system. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've created a coffee cup icon in Figma without having to illustrate it manually. This is one of the fastest ways to build polished mockups and keep your workflow efficient. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.